you gonna do it? Say, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! You do it. So we got a birthday wish for Darlene, which is on December 24th. Yay! You excited? Oh boy! And then we have another birthday wish on December 28th for Harith. Yay! You gonna do the birthday song? You gonna show off? Go, ooh. Do you wanna give them kisses? You wanna give them kisses? Mwah. Say happy birthday. Say have a good one. Say happy birthday. Yes, are we gonna wish everybody Merry Christmas too? Oh, say Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you guys have a good holiday. Oh, you're gonna fall down. Okay? Oh, who's that? Who's that? Oh, you're giving the sexy look to everybody? Huh? Oh, Ricco. Oh. Okay, so have a wonderful Christmas, everybody, and a happy birthday to whoever's celebrating it. Right? You want to give kisses? You're too busy playing. You giving kisses? Say, I love you guys. Say, I love you. I love you. Say, I love you. You and your sexy pose. You gonna say bye to everybody? Oh. Okay, say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye. Say bye. You gonna say bye-bye? Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, love you guys. Have a good Christmas and birthdays. Bye.